Alright, so this is super cool. We've got it in manual mode up here, so we can go down and decide what it is we want to do without using all of the computer software. We decided we want 1,000 maximum RPM, target winds of 9,000 wraps. We've got our counter here and our RPMs here. We simply go to activate. We've got it set up here just for demonstration purposes. This is our manual dial. Come over here. Lines completed, RPMs. Just look at it go. How cool is that? Whenever we decide we're done, we've done 609 windings of our 9,000 target goal. Deactivate. Boom. This feature is usually used to decide how much pressure you want on the wire or how fast you want to wrap the pickup, and then you switch back over to automated mode, which is here. So you can do traditional coils, or you can switch to pickups, at which point you just plug in the measurements based on the resistance of the wire, what size the wire, what your target is, and simply hit start, and off it goes. Really awesome.